How is it? How is it? It's very delicious. It's very delicious. Who is this? Who is this? She is my favorite cousin. She is my favorite cousin. What is it? What is it? It is salad. It is salad, or you can say it is salad. It is salad. Who am I? Who am I? You are my teacher. You are my teacher. Is it yours? Is it yours? Yes, it's mine. Yes, it's mine. Repeat it after me. It will really helpful for you. Where's my key? Where's my key? On the table. On the table. Can I get the bill? Can I get the bill? Yes, take this. Yes, take this. Next. What to do? What to do? Let's play chess. Let's play chess. Who is dancing? Who is dancing? Alex is dancing. Alex is dancing. You can use another name. Okay? Are you afraid? Are you afraid? No, I am not afraid. No, I am not afraid. Afraid means darna. Is she well? Is she well? Yes, absolutely. Yes, absolutely. Can you swim? Can you swim? I am not sure. I am not sure. What is your profession? What is your profession? I am artist. I am artist. What happened? What happened? I am sick. I am sick. Sick means बीमार होना. Who is she? Who is she? She is my best friend. She is my best friend. Is she your sister? Is she your sister? Yes, she is my sister. Yes, she is my sister. What did you buy? What did you buy? I bought some fruits. I bought some fruits. Where is the pain? Where is the pain? I have a headache. I have a headache. Do you like snow? Do you like snow? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. और अगर आप नहीं पसंद करते हो, you can say no, I don't love it. What did you buy? What did you buy? I bought some fruits, or you can say I bought some vegetables, or you can say I bought some accessories. Is she your sister? Is she your sister? Yes, she is my sister. Yes, she is my sister. Where are you? Where are you? I am in the shopping mall. I am in the shopping mall, or you can say I am in the market. You can mention who is she? Who is she? She is my grandma. She is my grandma. Okay. Next is what's for dinner? What's for dinner? Spaghetti for tonight. Spaghetti for tonight. Okay. You can mention your dinner, whatever you cooked. Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? Sometimes. Sometimes. Okay. Now, another one I'm going to tell you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Or you can say, yes, I am ready. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to store. I am going to store. Next is, do you understand? Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand. So friends, this was the short video of question and answer. So if this video is helpful, like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos.